Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the voice number. This gives you control. Once signed in, open Voice. Google.com or launch the Google Voice app. Make sure your linked forwarding phones are available and that billing info is current if you plan to buy a new number. These steps establish permissions and prepare the interface so you can change settings immediately, rather than pausing later to chase approvals or a payment prompt. Navigate to Settings, then Account and the Phone Numbers or Number Settings area. You'll see options to change, port, or get a new number. Choose the appropriate action and follow the step-by-step prompts. Select a region, search available numbers, or start porting details if keeping an existing number. Make sure you verify ownership with the code sent via text or call. Once done, confirm any fees and accept terms so Google can update routing and call. After choosing a number, finalize by confirming call and text routing and updating your voicemail greeting so contacts recognize the change. Test inbound and outbound calls and SMS on each linked device to ensure delivery. If something goes wrong, first re-verify the number and restart the app or browser, then check account limits and billing status. If porting failed, contact the losing carrier to confirm authorization. These checks resolve most common failures and restore full Google Voice functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.